you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda. If you love all things home decor, fashion, and lifestyle, hit that subscribe button, join the YouTube fam, all of my oldies but goodies. Welcome back. Today I'm bringing you guys another IKEA PAX wardrobe video. Some of my most frequently asked questions will be answered in today's video, so make sure to keep on watching. Here it is, my IKEA PAX wardrobe, aka my dream closet. I've now had it for a couple of months, so I can give you guys my honest review on whether I hate it or do I love it. How long did it take me to build? How much did it cost me? I'm gonna be answering some of my most frequently asked questions based on my experience with my IKEA PAX wardrobe. Starting off with the number one question, how long did it take me to put this closet together? You guys, it took me months. I was not fortunate enough to go and design the closet myself and have every single piece ready for pickup. I had to go to multiple locations to find the pieces that I wanted, particularly for my closet. If you guys are not familiar with the IKEA PAX wardrobe, you go, you sit down, and you design it yourself. You pick and choose what shelves you want, if you want doors or not, what lighting you want. Every single piece on my IKEA PAX wardrobe is from IKEA. Nothing was purchased separately except for the hangers. That's pretty much the only thing that I got from HomeGoods, but everything is from IKEA. So no, I did not buy this on one shopping trip. It did take me multiple shopping trips, multiple locations, and in particularly with my IKEA PAX wardrobe, I remember after I designed it. So once you design it, you get a sheet, and the sheet will tell you where to go pick up your pieces for the IKEA PAX wardrobe. If you guys are not familiar with IKEA, IKEA is a huge warehouse. You guys, you get there, you walk through the showroom, and then you pick and choose what you're purchasing at the end of your trip by walking through the warehouse, which is a pretty cool experience. If you've never been to IKEA, I recommend you guys go, and the food is delicious. We love going to go eat at IKEA as well. But yes, I had to go to multiple locations to find my pieces. I actually had to go to a separate warehouse, but fortunately I was able to find everything in a span of like 2 months. So yes, it will be sold out. I've actually have been told that it's been sold out for quite some time. A lot of the pieces you guys can't get your hands on, or they're just not getting them anymore. So I will try my best to link down below the pieces that I personally used, and hopefully it can help you guys design your IKEA PAX wardrobe. Moving on to question number 2, how much did it cost me? Every single piece that you guys see in my beautiful closet right here was sold separately. The frames, the shelves, the bar, the lighting, and remember, if you want things to look a little bit more bougie, like these glass shelves, that will cost you extra. So you can go with the bare minimum and it will be the cheapest, but the more fancy you want it to look, it will cost you more. I wanted to be able to see my entire wardrobe, my jeans, my shorts, my tops. So you guys can see that I display my most worn pieces, like my blazers, my coats, my crop tops, because I like to visualize my outfits before I get dressed. It's just a lot more practical for me. That's why I designed it this way. But you guys can go with the most standard, drawers and the standard shelvings, and they even have these beautiful glass doors that you can cover your closet, which I will be talking about in just a little bit. But overall, my closet put together, the way that I designed it, just how it is, it did cost me a little over $1,000. Now I know that that's a splurge, but remember you guys, this is a closet. You only purchase it once and you're going to use it for years and years and years. And ever since I bought it, it has changed the game for me. I wish that I would have purchased it like a lot sooner, but it is a little bit of a splurge. So it did cost me a little over $1,000. I want to say with tax, my entire closet was like $1,200. But remember, I did go with, the really bougie lighting and the really bougie drawers, you can go with the bare minimum. So your closet will cost you based on the pieces that you choose. It can be less or it can be a lot more. It's just whatever you choose for your IKEA PAX wardrobe. Now, my most frequently asked question is the lighting. You guys see me share the lighting over on TikTok. I love creating TikTok videos with the lighting. I think it's just so bougie. It's like having my own personal boutique in my home. Like I just come in, I dim the lights, or I can brighten them up, and it's just, I love it so much. I would recommend you guys go ahead and splurge on this lighting. It's not even that expensive, honestly. They have multiple lighting to choose from, but I chose these that you can buy actually at IKEA. A lot of people think that I went off and purchased it separately. Nope. All IKEA. Every single piece of my IKEA PAX wardrobe is from IKEA, and it is just batteries. So you just place the batteries and you're good to go. All of the wiring, my husband actually installed it himself, and we poked a hole through the frames so we can hide the wiring behind the closet. So it's very simple to get it done. It doesn't require like I don't know, electrician. No, you guys. It's very simple. They're just LED lights that you place on the glass shelves, and you just hide the wiring. Simple and easy, and it's not that expensive. I will link it down below. I promise you guys, because that's one of the questions that I get asked the most is, where did I get my lighting? But you don't have to go with this lighting. They actually have these little round lights as well that you can stick to the side of the frames or above the frames or in the drawers. So if I really wanted to step up my closet, I totally could. I could even add lighting in the drawers, like stick the little round lighting on top of the shelves and it'll brighten up my drawers, or I could add lighting to these frames. But I like it the way that it is. I actually just wanted the lighting in the center frame where I have all of my designer bags and my jewelry. I just really wanted that to be like the, star of the show. So the lighting definitely does make a huge difference. If you were thinking of getting the IKEA PAX wardrobe, no, it's not a huge splurge, but yes, I 100% recommend you guys go out and get it, because it just really just steps it up. It makes it look so bougie. Like I said, it's like having your own little boutique you're in your bedroom, in your home. My next asked question, I'm gonna dive into my wardrobe, you guys. So that is, where did I get all of my stands? You guys see my handbags, my hats. These stands are from Amazon. You guys, I always tell you to go check out my Amazon storefront. I'll link it down below for you guys so you can go pick these up for yourself. I love these stands. I actually got the inspiration from the designer stores. Every time I pop into Dior, they have these stands with their bags, and I thought that was just so bougie. And I went on Amazon, found myself some really good ones for my hats and for my handbags, and they were super inexpensive. I'm actually thinking of buying one for my necklaces. My husband just got me a beautiful Dior necklace for Valentine's Day, and I want to have it on display. I want to, be able to come and see my jewelry. Have you guys ever seen The Princess Diaries? When she goes into her closet and it's just like, whoosh, it's like, you know what I mean? Let me know down below if you guys know what I'm talking about, when she walks into her closet and she's just screaming because she sees all of her grandma's stuff. And it's just, you guys know what I mean. I think it's The Princess Diaries too. But anyways, that was like the moment that I thought about. I'm like, I want to have my jewelry out on display. So go on Amazon, you guys. Don't, break the bank buying some of these pieces, I don't know, elsewhere. Go on Amazon and pick yourself up these stands. You can actually adjust the height as well. I like to make sure, you guys know me and my eye to detail. I love to have levels when it comes to my stuff. So some of them are shorter, some of them are taller, and it just looks really eye-pleasing and it just looks really bougie. I love it. So those stands, I got them from Amazon. Again, I will link my Amazon storefront down below. My next frequently asked question, which is the most basic question, but I get it asked so much, is, where are my hangers from? You guys, I've shared these hangers with you guys so many times here on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. These hangers are from Home Goods. I've always told you guys, even if you don't have the IKEA PAX wardrobe, get yourself these hangers for your walk-in closet or your closet in general. It makes all the difference. It really just looks luxurious. It looks expensive. And I love that my stuff does not fall. You guys see that? I have all of my tops, my blazers, my coats. Nothing is slipping and sliding. Everything is intact and it looks really pretty. And I always go for the suede ones, like the the ones that are neutral. They have them in black and gold. They have them in white. It's like a white neutral. I've seen them in like a dark gray. So you can pick and choose what you want. I chose to go with the neutral ones. But you guys, Home Goods coming through. Like, go pick them up at Home Goods, okay? Simple, easy, go get them for your closet. You're gonna love them. My next asked question is it practical? Is the IKEA PAX wardrobe practical? Brenda, is it worth it? Do you love it? Yes, 110%. If you guys follow me over on Instagram and you keep up with me, which if you don't, go follow me. I am currently house hunting. I know, I couldn't wait to share the news with my YouTube fam. I am house hunting, you guys, and one of the things that I'm looking at every single home that I go into is the closet, because your girl is definitely gonna be designing her own closet for my new home, and I want it to be very practical. And this one in particularly for my apartment, yes, it is very practical. I absolutely love it. We do have a walk-in closet that is my husband's now. We used to share it, but since I designed this closet, I was able to fit every single one of my pieces in this closet, and I still have space. The drawers are super spacious. I still have space in the back. And remember, this IKEA PAX wardrobe is customizable, so I can still change it up if I absolutely wanted to. I can have my husband take down all the shelves. Well, I can do it too, but you guys know, I have him, so why not? I can take down all the shelves, take down all the clothing, take down the lighting, take down the bars, and reorganize it, like make it look brand new. That's what I love about the IKEA PAX wardrobe. So if I were to get more coats, I can, you know, I don't know, bring down one of these bars and put more coats. If I wanted to put more shoes, I can push those shoes up at the top to the very back and put more shoes. But I designed it particularly to just showcase my favorite pieces. Not every single one of my pieces, just my favorite. I like how it looks, it being opened like this, but you guys can actually put doors, so you can cover it up, and they have beautiful door designs to choose from, and just make it look very clean and minimalist, and maybe just keep the center frame showing where your bags are at, or you could even cover that. Hey, to each their own, whatever you guys want. But I personally love mine. I 100% recommend you guys go out and get it. It truly does work really good for someone that lives in a smaller space, like in an apartment. If you don't have a big closet and you have to share it with somebody, this is the way to go, because you can put your entire wardrobe there and leave the other closet to your husband. You know, let him have some space, just a little bit of space. But yeah, you guys, I 100% recommend it. I absolutely love it. I think it's one of the best purchases that I've ever made. And yes, I would repurchase it again. Am I gonna go with the IKEA PAX wardrobe for my house? Probably not. I do wanna go with something a little bit more, you know, I don't know, like those really pretty custom closets. But if I had to do this again, absolutely, in a heartbeat, especially if you're living in an apartment. It is a game changer, okay? The next question that I get asked all the time is these holes, like, am I able to cover them? So you guys see, obviously I chose to go with an open IKEA PAX wardrobe. I didn't cover it up, but you guys see these tiny little holes? I was told that they sell tiny little stickers to cover these holes. So yes, you can cover them, you guys. If you wanna make it look very sleek and clean and just top notch, cover them up and make it look a lot more clean and pretty and aesthetic. The next question that I get asked the most as well is, how big is this closet? Remember, this closet was made I designed it specifically for my bedroom. Do not forget to get dimensions of your bedroom or the closet that you're going to be putting this IKEA PAX wardrobe in, because this one was designed based on my bedroom. You can pick and choose the frames that you want, the height, the length. You can pick and choose the shelvings, the size. You can pick and choose, like, pretty much everything is super customizable. If you guys want to get the exact same setup that I have, I will try my best to link it down below. But please keep in mind the dimensions of your bedroom, okay? So don't just go off and buy this entire closet, because I did go with the biggest frames and it may or may not work in your closet. So yes, this is a really big IKEA PAX wardrobe, but you can choose to make it a lot smaller, maybe just one frame, maybe 2 frames. You could even pick and choose 6 frames and cover up the entire wall, and you can get the most slimmest frames of them all as well. So I love that. It's super customizable. You can pick and choose the sizing of pretty much everything. So 110% recommended. I feel like I've said that a million times, but that is the most frequently asked questions that I get, you guys, is where do I get my lighting? Was it worth it? How much did it cost me? Can you cover it up? And I really hope that I answered most of the questions that I get asked. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. I would love to continue to make these videos for you guys, because I know that it can be kind of tricky to go into IKEA and like, hey, what do I do here? Like, do I just sit down? Do I design it? Are you gonna design it for me? So trust me, you guys, I totally get it. But again, I will try to link everything down below that I used particularly for my closet. Just keep the dimensions in mind. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Follow me over on TikTok. You guys can see me literally post this guy almost every single week. I love creating videos based on my closet. I definitely want to dive deeper into my wardrobe because I get a ton of questions on where do I get my tops, where do I get my blazers. So let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos just like this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are staying safe. Please stay safe. There is so much going on in the world right now. So let's spread kindness and positivity. Until next time, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.